It should be different from Satan. People don't know.
Hmm.
That's why they are not proud to, that's why people, they see Eshu as bad thing.
Hmm.
You can imagine, how can you tell, for you to convince somebody in his or her right senses that Eshu is different from Satan? People don't know.
Hmm.
That's why they are not proud to, that's why people, they see Eshu as bad thing.
Hmm.
So that's why, in fact, I can say they see the entire traditionalist as Eshu, gathering of Eshu people.
Hmm.
Just the way I told you, I'm proud to be a traditionalist. I love Obatala, it's my progenitor, and I like Eshu. It's part of the deity. But the fact that our people, they have been blindfolded. Well, so that communication is a problem, because when I'm saying something, it will be meaning another thing to you. Beside that, the government is not helping the situation.
Okay.
When they are nominating political appointment, you will see it. They will be basing it at how many Christian, how many Muslim. Has anybody think of, okay, how many traditionalists? Whereas that's our religion. You will see them when they want to rule us after election. They will say they want to swear oath of allegiance.
Yes.
Bring in Bible or Quran.
They should add.
And these are foreign. Yes, I don't dispute their holy books, but it comes out of foreign religion. The government is not encouraging our own. The government is not projecting and promoting our culture. You can imagine how much people are spending to finance Saudi Arabia economy. You can see how much people are spending to finance Israeli economy. What are we doing? How are we using our African culture and religion to attract foreign people who are proud? The way our people are crazy of Muhammad and Jesus Christ. There are people over there who understand, they know this fact. They know it in advanced world, in America, in everywhere. But if our government can do what? Can try to project us well, this will, it will promote global acceptability and encourage other people. It's going to affect our economy positively, and it's going to reposition our country to where we belong. May God help us.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni sà, ẹ ṣé gan ni. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ní advice fún àwọn tó ń wò wá nílé?
Well, ìmọ̀ràn mi sí àwọn tó ń wò wá nílé ni pé they should follow up on every line I have uttered.
Okay.
They should not just hear it and just look at it that what's it say. We should try to use our brain. Because some of us, you can imagine, most people that you see as Christian, as Muslim, as whatever, is as a result of what they have impacted in us. We have not really sit down to think about the practicability of this thing. I advise everybody to go back to its root. The way I have found out that the blood that is flowing in my vein belongs to Obatala.
How do you find out?
Every other person. I know I'm a prince from Ifon, and I know I belong to Olufo's family. And the whole world know that Olufo is firstborn of Obatala.
Hmm.
In fact, when we know, I'm bold to say that I'm one of those people that ensure that that title is added. Is pronounced. I'm not the one that initiated. That's the reality. I'm the one that, one of those people that want Olufo to be projected in that way, so that the moment people hear that Aremo Obatala, anybody that hear Olufo will know is from Obatala. Because when you look at Yoruba history, people don't talk about. They only talk about Oduduwa. The history of Obatala is downplayed for a reason I don't know. But we are saying it to the world now that Obatala a kì í ṣe ìran Odùduwà o. Àbáràn Odùduwà jà o. There is peaceful coexistence, and we are just praying and appealing to everybody and advising them to go back to their roots, so that they will know their beginning. How where their forefather came from, what kind of person, because God created everybody for a purpose.
Yes.
We must discover that purpose. My own purpose, I've known that I'm from Obatala people, and I want to promote that my source.
All right, sir.
Everybody should go and
make
find
research.
You should go and find out. You don't need much energy before you know your source, except you don't want to be factual. Ask some people, they will tell them, I don't even know our town.
Yes, so ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀lú ẹ̀ o. Ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀lú ẹ̀.
Mi ò ṣe ní.
Mo mọ̀lú mi o.
Kí ló ń bọ̀ nílé yín?
Mo ò mọ̀.
O ò mọ̀lé. O kàn mọ̀ lásán. Yóò dé òmọ̀lé. I think gbogbo àti good to go.
Ẹ tí good to go. The last thing ẹ máa bá wa ṣe báyìí ni ẹ fún wa ní oríkì Ọbàtálá.
Ṣẹlá ló fẹ́ fún iṣẹ́.
Ẹ má bínú.
Mo ti ń sọ yẹn láti.
Ẹ fún wa lájàsẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wá fún wa ní full version báyìí ká tó máa lọlé.
Tó bá ti sọ yín oníbi tó kọ́ sí ogun.
Ogun ẹ fún wa ní ẹ̀kọ́ fún wa ní snippet. Ẹ̀kọ́ fún wa kékeré.
Oríkì Ọbàtálá, I've said it. Ọbàtálá. Ọba ti àlà. The king of white. Ọba Tarisha, ọba ti àwọn òrìṣà, the king of other gods. Ọba takuntakun, the gallant king. Lóde Ìrànjé, the gallant king from Ìrànjé township. Ọba aládé Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún, the king of white. Because that Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún is another thing. Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún is like the crown that Ọbàtálá like most is white bedded crown. They call it Ade Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún. That's why Olufo is the custodian of Ade Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún. Because that's what he inherited from his father. Ọbàtálá loves Ade Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún. He's the custodian. So Ọbàtálá, Ọba Tarisha, ọba takuntakun lóde Ìrànjé, ọba aládé Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀fún, ọba àgbò. Òrìṣà ńlá, ayé mi dọwọ́ rẹ, okó ayé mi kò gbọ́dọ̀ yẹ̀. Òrìṣà ńlá, ayé mi dọwọ́ rẹ. Those are one of the small songs that we normally compose, sing together during the worship.
Thank you very much, sir. Really appreciate that.